Today in Colombo 3, we bring you to an exciting brand new development project. A duplex in the heart of Colombo 3. 2,200 square feet with an amazing living experience. Come check it out. Welcome to the Cornwall Residencies, a brand new boutique development in Colombo 3. Today I'm showing you a duplex. It's 4-bedroom. It has 2 units. It has 2 floors, and we are in the living space, the ground floor of your duplex. So if you can see this, you have an area here ideally segregated in 2. You have a dining area and you have a living space. Let's quickly take a look around at the kitchen. This space is ideal because it has a fully fitted kitchen. You have all your compartments, you have your cooker, you have a space outside for your domestic to change, to have a wash. Your fridge comes here, and it's ideal because you can ideally segregate it through with a glass door, and you can have your dining table right here to serve your friends and family. Your first bedroom is on this side. There's also a utility area for your washing machine, and then we come to the guest room that is in the first floor. So your first guest bedroom, a very spacious layout, all giving you beautiful vistas of the Colombo 3 landscape. You can see all the way towards the Bumblepitia skyline. A lot of trees right in front of your eyes, and this is your entire space along with your ensuite washroom. So we saw the first floor. Let me take you upstairs right now. This is the top floor. You have an entertainment area along with 2 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. It also comes with a private terrace that is extended all the way to the living space. You have your ensuite washroom right here, and we can move to the second bedroom now. This is also a private space for entertainment. You can have a TV lounge, a library, a kids play area, but just an area to sit and enjoy with your family. This is the final bedroom, along with an outdoor space, a little corner here for your wardrobe, and you have your bathroom. So once again, this is your outdoor terrace area. You have terraces on both floors from your living room downstairs and from this master bedroom upstairs. You get to enjoy all these vistas, the ocean on that side. You have the beautiful Colombo 3 cityscape, the skyline. I think it's magnificent because it's a beautiful blend of concrete and green with all the trees. It's just a breathtaking experience. So this is your 4-bedroom duplex, 2,200 square feet, smack bang in the heart of Colombo 3. You have accessibility to almost everything: restaurants, schools, commercial spaces, malls. Everything's just around the corner. Therefore, this place is amazing when it comes to accessibility. You can take it up and do it just as you like. You have the space, but most importantly, it comes at a very attractive price point. For just 142 million, you can make this duplex yours. If you look at the price per square feet in the area, this is going at a discount. Therefore, if you are a lucky investor, this is your investment opportunity to own and make this your home. Get in touch with the number below, and I'm there to give you an exclusive deal in this duplex in Colombo 3.